Hey there, welcome to our ultimate bathroom renovation guide. In this video, we'll be giving you all the tips, tricks, and ideas you need to turn your outdated bathroom into a beautiful and functional space. Whether you're planning a full-scale renovation or just a few updates, we've got you covered. So let's get started. Step 1. Plan your bathroom layout. The first step in any bathroom renovation is to plan your layout. Consider the size of your bathroom, the existing plumbing, and your personal preferences. You may want to hire a professional to help you with this step, as they can ensure your new bathroom is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Step 2. Choose your fixtures and finishes. Once you have a layout in mind, it's time to choose your fixtures and finishes. This includes things like your toilet, sink, shower, bathtub, and flooring. When choosing these items, consider both their functionality and their style. You want your new bathroom to be both beautiful and practical. Step 3. Update your lighting. Lighting is an often overlooked aspect of bathroom design, but it can make a big difference in the overall look and feel of your space. Consider adding task lighting around your mirror, as well as ambient lighting throughout the rest of the bathroom. You may also want to install dimmer switches, so you can adjust the lighting to suit your mood. Step 4. Add storage. Storage is essential in any bathroom, but it can also be a stylish addition to your space. Consider adding open shelving or built-in cabinets to store towels, toiletries, and other bathroom essentials. You can also add hooks and racks to hang towels and robes. Step 5. Choose your color scheme. Your color scheme can make a big impact on the overall look and feel of your bathroom. Consider choosing a neutral color palette with pops of color to create a calming and relaxing space. Alternatively, you can go bold with bright colors and patterns to create a fun and lively space. Well, that's it for our ultimate bathroom renovation guide. We hope you found these tips, tricks, and ideas helpful. Remember, renovating your bathroom can be a big undertaking, but with careful planning and a little creativity, you can create a beautiful and functional space that you'll love for years to come. Thanks for watching and happy renovating.